A foundation for the future. Understanding resilient infrastructure. Infrastructure is the backbone of our society. It encompasses the essential systems and structures that support our daily lives. Roads, bridges, power grids, and water systems are just a few examples. Resilient infrastructure takes this concept a step further. It refers to infrastructure designed to withstand and recover quickly from disruptions. These disruptions can range from natural disasters like hurricanes and earthquakes to human-induced events such as power outages or cyber attacks. Resilient infrastructure is not about completely preventing damage. Instead, it aims to minimize the impact of these events and ensure a rapid return to functionality. Imagine a bridge designed to withstand the forces of a major earthquake. While the earthquake may cause some damage, the bridge remains standing. This allows emergency responders to reach those in need and prevents a complete transportation shutdown. This is the essence of resilient infrastructure. Resilient infrastructure is about building for the future. It acknowledges that disruptions are inevitable. By anticipating and preparing for these challenges, we can create a more robust and reliable foundation for our communities and economies. The critical need for resilience. Facing a changing world. In today's world, the need for resilient infrastructure has never been greater. Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Hurricanes are becoming more powerful, floods are more frequent, and wildfires are more widespread. These events can have devastating impacts on infrastructure, leading to widespread power outages, transportation disruptions, and economic losses. Beyond natural disasters, we also face evolving threats from human-induced events. Cyber attacks on critical infrastructure systems, such as power grids and water treatment plants, are becoming increasingly common. These attacks can disrupt essential services and have far-reaching consequences for public safety and economic stability. As our reliance on technology grows, so does our vulnerability to these threats. Resilient infrastructure is not just about physical structures. It also encompasses the digital systems that underpin our modern way of life. Standing strong examples of resilient infrastructure in action. Around the world, we can find examples of resilient infrastructure that have proven their worth in the face of adversity. In Japan, a country prone to earthquakes, buildings are designed with sophisticated seismic-resistant technologies. These technologies allow buildings to sway and absorb the energy of an earthquake, minimizing damage and protecting lives. Flood defenses are another example of resilient infrastructure. The Netherlands, a country with much of its land below sea level, has a long history of innovation in flood protection. Dikes, seawalls, and storm surge barriers work together to keep the country safe from the constant threat of flooding. These examples demonstrate that resilient infrastructure is achievable. By investing in smart design and innovative technologies, we can create structures and systems that can withstand the challenges of the 21st century. Section 4. Building better advancements in resilient design and technology. The field of resilient infrastructure is constantly evolving, driven by technological advancements and a growing understanding of the risks we face. New materials and construction techniques are making structures stronger and more resistant to damage from natural disasters. For instance, fiber-reinforced polymers are being used to retrofit bridges and buildings, enhancing their strength and durability. Smart technologies are also playing an increasingly important role in resilient infrastructure. Sensors embedded in bridges, buildings, and other structures can monitor for signs of stress or damage, providing early warnings that allow for timely repairs and prevent catastrophic failures. Smart grids, which incorporate advanced sensors and automation, can detect and isolate faults, reducing the impact of power outages. These advancements are making our infrastructure smarter, more adaptable, and more resilient in the face of a wide range of threats. Section 5. Shaping Tomorrow, the future of resilient infrastructure. The future of resilient infrastructure is bright, driven by innovation, collaboration, and a growing recognition of its importance. As climate change and other threats intensify, we can expect to see continued investment in resilient infrastructure projects around the world. This investment will not only make our communities safer and more resilient, but will also create economic opportunities. The development and implementation of new technologies and design approaches will drive innovation and job creation in the construction, engineering, and technology sectors. Resilient infrastructure is not just about building stronger structures. It is about building a better future for all. By investing in infrastructure that can withstand the challenges of the 21st century, we are investing in the well-being of our communities, our economies, and our planet.